Now, this is something I like waking up to. This got delivered today. This is something you don't see inside the USA. If Stanley did do this in the USA, they would kick some major ass. But no, this is a South American item. Same thing as a lot of European drills of theirs, but it's basically a DeWalt drill. They just take, they just use the same drill. In the US, they label it DeWalt. Here, like one of these, they label it Stanley in South America and Europe and all that. Australia, I've seen these sold in Australia online. But 20 volt max hammer drill, 2 batteries and a charger, which is basically their quick charger. And it was a real good price. Yeah, because right here you'll be able to see the specs. They're made in China, but what are you going to do? Most tools are now. And you'll see all that. It's come on, focus. Sorry about that. Well, nevertheless, it's in Spanish and Portuguese. I might take a picture and have it later. Let me open it up and check it out. Alright, we got a real plastic case. I like that. You don't find that much around here. You got your instructions, things like that. See, they included Black & Decker, Stanley, DeWalt on the same manual here, which they won't do in the US. Oh my God, forbid the companies put themselves together. Yeah. Instruction book. English is the last language. That's funny. I'm not used to seeing it. Not saying it's a bad thing, just not used to seeing it. Where you can get your serviced. Then you got the battery charger, which is the same thing as my looks like the same thing as my Black & Decker fast charger that I paid extra for. Sure, there are little pins in here to keep it from using a Black & Decker battery, and that can be remedied, what I understand, because these batteries look suspiciously like they can fit in a Black & Decker drill. Oops. But yeah, place for everything and everything in its place. Get that drill out of there. Oh yeah, that's a nice drill. Has some kick to it, because it has a 2-speed transmission, unlike a lot of Black & Decker drills. Batteries already installed. See, I knew it was in the Americas because they still say 20 volt max, even though they're actually 18 volts. Anything outside America, it says 18 volt on these things. And sorry about the shaky cam. I'm just so excited I haven't got my tripod. And it pops off just like a Black & Decker. Has your hammer settings. What I'll do is I'll post this unboxing, and then I will post hands-on in a separate video, just so I can get this out, because we are getting ready to do something, and I'll be away for a while today. But yeah, 2 drills. The only thing that sucks is that these things are 1.3 amp hour right there. 1.3 amp hour. But you got two batteries. And if I'm correct, I should be able to use my Black & Decker batteries on this thing too. Maybe, because it has that piece right there, like porta cable. I don't know about chopping it up. But 2 batteries, for me, should be plenty. But nice case, quick charger, hammer drill. I don't have a hammer drill, and oh yeah, and this thing has a 1/2-inch chuck, which is something nice. 1/2-inch chuck, 2-speed transmission. Feels like a regular drill right there. And then you got your speed number 2. Nice. A lot of ventilation right there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.